ആകാശത്തിര നീന്തിയണങ്ങു കുഞ്ഞു നിലാത്തോണി. ആകെ ലോകക്കാരും കണ്ടു ശവ്വാലം വിളി. തക്ബീറിൻ അലയൊലി പൊങ്ങുന്നേ, തൗഹീദിൻ മന്ത്രമുയരുന്നേ. മാലോകർ ശുക്ർ മുഴക്കുന്നേ, മാനവരൊന്നായി പാടുന്നേ. മുബാരക് 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 ഈദ് മുബാരക്. മുബാരക് 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 ഈദ് മുബാരക്. മുബാരക്.
I have a small challenge for you guys. When the countdown starts, go subscribe and like. Also, share this video. Are you ready? I know it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess you all done that 5-second challenge because that's what people in my wonder world does. Aren't you my wonderful people? Let me show you what all gifts I got yesterday and what all I did yesterday. Welcome and welcome back to Amuna's Wonder World. It's me, Sharma Amina, and today is Arafah. You know what is Arafah? Arafah Day is one of the important holidays in the Islamic calendar, which is on 9th of Dhul Hijjah month in the Hijri calendar. And this is when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam encouraged and gave glad tidings for the believers. For what? Saying the importance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And tomorrow is Eid. There are two Eids, right? Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Tomorrow is Eid al-Adha. You know what is the most important thing? Like, why is Eid al-Adha more important? It is because Eid al-Adha is the day, that means Dhul Hijjah 10th was the day when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Prophet Ibrahim alayhi wasallam to sacrifice his own son Ismail alayhi wasallam. And Prophet Ibrahim was ready to do that, right? I guess you all remember that story. So that's why in this Eid we all must, like, it's a day of sacrificing buffaloes, camels and etc. So, and as every Eid we have to, like, as Muslims it's a sunnah that we have to wear new dress, right? So I don't know what is it in this cover, but I probably guess maybe it's dress. So I'll be unboxing this too in front of you guys. Are you ready? This is probably dress, and this is 2 boxes. I don't know what is it. First I'll open this one. First thing I can see is a jeans. It's a jacket. So nice. Yeah, I guess it's my size. I will check that later. Blue pants. Balik. Dengar.
In an Eid, if there is no dessert or something, then how can it be so enjoyment, right? We have to eat something sweet, right? So for that, I'm making a super easy, tasty and yummy dessert. Now let's see how we can make it.
So let's take a look at the ingredients. So first you have to take a pudding bowl, then 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, Nutella, whipping cream, and then 2 cups of water, almonds, marigold biscuit, again a bowl of whipping cream. That's it. It's really easy to make, okay? And instead of whipping cream, you can take thick cream plus milk maid. Now, if you're taking 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, then 2 cups of water. Add 2 cups of room temperature water. And if you want, you can add some sugar so that the bittery taste would go. Then mix it well. Mixy, mixy, mix. Oh. Then take the small bowl of whipping cream and add 1 spoon of Nutella. If you want it more chocolatey, then you can add in the big bowl. But I want only some chocolate. So I added in this. Yum yum yum. Then mix it. Then mix it very well, which turns out to be in this color. Okay? Next, dip those marigold biscuits in the coffee water mixture or solution. Then lay them down like this. Make sure you don't leave any space. Then add the plain whipping cream on top of those marigold biscuits. Once you finish it, add some badams, which is cut into big small pieces. Yeah, like some can be powdered, some can be big slices. Then repeat the first step like that. Keep the biscuits, which is dipped in the coffee water. But once you are done with this layer, you are not gonna add white cream. You're gonna add the chocolate cream. After that, add some badams and then do the same as keeping the marigold biscuits. If you want, you can make many layers. Just repeat the same process. Once you're done with it, you can add some chocolate or you can add some Hershey's, Nutella, something you want. But I want it, almondy Nutella. Yeah, that's why I'm adding like this. It
looks yummy and just perfect to eat. Going?
Yeah, nice. Eid Mubarak.
Khair Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to you too.
Khair Mubarak. I was trying to say thank you, but different one. Okay, let's go to my room. Come on.
Okay. That is all when I'm going to other family houses and family trips. That's just finished, and now next it will be like Eid. We will be traveling. If I'm traveling somewhere, I'll be posting that next day. So stay tuned for the travel diaries. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share and click the bell icon so that you can be notified and be the first to watch my video. Never